Welcome to the best picks. The best Pureline PL-200 is probably one of the most sought-after refrigerator water filters on the market, offering a perfect blend of high-quality filtration, ease of installation, and cost-effectiveness, making it a top choice for homeowners seeking clean, refreshing water and ice without breaking the bank. In this video, we will deep dive into this amazing product and explore what makes it stand out from the competition. Number 5. Pureline Refrigerator Water Filter. Upgrade your refrigerator's water filtration system with Pureline. It provides cleaner, great-tasting water for your family. This filter uses a 3-step process. It removes impurities and chlorine, leaving you with pure, refreshing water. Made with BPA-free and food-grade materials, it meets the highest quality and safety standards. It's NSF certified for your peace of mind. It's easy to install, no tools are needed. Plus, it's cost-effective, lasting up to 6 months and filtering hundreds of gallons. It fits many major refrigerator brands and models. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with yours. Enjoy cleaner, healthier water with Pureline. It's the smart, simple, and affordable way to upgrade your home's hydration. What we like. This filter boasts a superior 3-step filtration system for pristine water. It's also certified by NSF, ensuring quality and safety. If you value clean, great-tasting water and easy installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Included with this 3-pack are the instructions, 3 expiration date labels, and a refrigerator magnet with the manufacturer's information. After installation, it takes a few minutes to clear the water line of air and impurities, so you should run several cups of water through it until the flow is smooth and the water is clear and not cloudy. The performance specifications are pretty comparable to the GE filter, and taste-wise I cannot tell the difference from the GE filters. The water tastes clean and clear with no chlorine taste or odor and seems to work pretty comparably to the more expensive GE OEM filter. Number 4. PUREPLUS DA29-00020B Refrigerator Water Filter. This filter is certified by NSF ANSI 42 and 372, meaning it reduces chlorine, taste, odor, and lead. It also meets Canadian CSA, BPA-free, and Australian watermark standards for your peace of mind. For even better filtration, check out the deluxe version. It's tested to reduce lead, benzene, mercury, and other harmful substances, exceeding standard filtration. The multi-layer design provides superior filtration. Its 0.5 micron inner layer removes 99.99% of chlorine while retaining beneficial minerals. It's made under ISO 9001 and 14000 standards, undergoing rigorous testing, including pressure and water hammer tests, to ensure quality and reliability. It's compatible with many Samsung refrigerator models and other brands, making it a versatile choice for various households. Check the description for a complete list of compatible models. This filter is designed to fit a wide range of Samsung refrigerator models. Please check the compatibility list to ensure it's the right fit for your appliance. What we like. This filter comes with multiple authoritative certifications, guaranteeing quality and safety. Its innovative multi-layer filtration removes impurities while retaining beneficial minerals. If you prioritize top-tier quality and comprehensive filtration, this is the one for you. What people say. Installs easier with a little lube on O-ring. Works well. No decrease in water flow. Easy fit. This fixed the problem. After my husband cleaned out all of the ice, the freezer began to work. Number 3. Pureline EDR4 RXD1 Replacement Filter, 2-pack. It uses a 3-step filtration process to enhance water quality and taste. This ensures you get the purest water possible from your refrigerator. First, it captures medium-sized elements. Then, it filters out large materials and removes the smallest impurities and chlorine. The result? Pure, clean water. It's made with BPA-free and lead-free materials, meeting the highest quality standards. You can trust it to deliver consistently great results. It's easy to install, no tools are needed. Plus, it's affordable and lasts up to 6 months, saving you money and time. It's compatible with a wide range of refrigerator brands and models, including Whirlpool, Maytag, and Kenmore. It's the perfect replacement filter for your needs. Upgrade your refrigerator's water filtration system today with Pureline. Enjoy cleaner, better-tasting water for months to come. What we like. This filter uses a state-of-the-art 3-step filtration process, resulting in cleaner, better-tasting water. It's also NSF certified, ensuring the highest quality. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install filter for your Whirlpool, Maytag, or Kenmore refrigerator, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to install, no notable flavor in the water. Water tests better, water seems to be fresh, there is no smell. No weird taste after installation, and they have better water flow than the name brand filters. Number 2. Pureline DW2042FR09 Water Filter. It uses a coconut shell carbon block with a larger surface area for enhanced purification. This 2-stage ionization process ensures cleaner, better-tasting water. It's made with lead-free, BPA-free, and food-grade materials. Plus, it's certified by NSF 372, NSF 42, WQA, and IAPMO for your safety and peace of mind. It's manufactured to the exact specifications of the original brand filter, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. You can install it in under 2 minutes. It filters up to 300 gallons of water, providing you with fresh, clean water. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace it every 6 months. It significantly reduces bad tastes and odors, improving the overall quality of your drinking water. Enjoy refreshing, clean water every time. What we like. This filter features a larger surface area for enhanced filtration and a 2-stage ionization process for superior water purification. It also guarantees a perfect fit, ensuring no leaks. If you are looking for a filter that improves water taste and fits perfectly, this is the one for you. What people say. It fits perfectly and is a fantastic, cost-effective alternative to the original Daewoo filter. Since installing it, I've noticed a significant improvement in the taste and quality of my drinking water and ice. The filter effectively removes impurities and contaminants, leaving me with clean, crisp water that I can trust. Number 1. Pureline DA29-00020B Samsung Refrigerator Filter. This is the Pureline DA29-00020B Samsung Refrigerator Water Filter Replacement. It offers a superior filtration experience for your home. It uses a state-of-the-art 3-step filtration process. This ensures that your water is purified and tastes great. They are made with BPA-free and lead-free materials, meeting the highest quality standards. You can trust it for pure, clean water. It's easy to install, requiring no tools. Plus, it's cost-effective, lasting up to 6 months and filtering 300 gallons. This filter is compatible with various Samsung refrigerator models and other brands. Check the description for a complete list of compatible models. Upgrade your refrigerator's water filtration system today with Pureline. Enjoy cleaner, healthier, great-tasting water. What we like. This filter offers a 3-step filtration system for exceptional water quality and is NSF certified for your peace of mind. The 3-pack provides long-lasting value. If you need a reliable, high-quality filter for your Samsung refrigerator and want a great value, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Good performance. No restrictions in the water flow. Easy to install. Good water clarity. Improved water taste. The Pureline Samsung Refrigerator Water Filter Replacement is a stellar choice for maintaining pure and crisp water. Its compatibility with Samsung refrigerators makes it a convenient and reliable replacement option. The filter's advanced technology effectively removes impurities, ensuring that every sip is refreshing and free from contaminants. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly design, and the filter's longevity is impressive, providing a cost-effective solution for clean water over time. Been using these filters for 8 years in my Samsung fridge. 100% satisfied with them. Will continue to buy them for as long as my fridge is still working. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.